up? Happy Tuesday to you. I'm Anastasia Deco, and I couldn't resist this filter here. And I wanted to take a minute. I was thinking about 2019 and your fitness goals, and everybody's going to be making their fitness goals here coming up. And I wanted to touch on a subject that I'm actually kind of passionate about, and that I talk to a lot with the people I train, and also when I do groups of people in a room whenever I'm doing any type of presentation, touching on the fact that it is so common to overshoot goals when you're making your fitness goals for 2019. And let me explain to you why. What I see a lot is, hey, I'm going to lose 30 pounds, I'm going to lose 50 pounds in 2019, I'm going to go to the gym 5 days a week, etc., etc., etc. And I love big goals and I love big dreams, but I also like being realistic, and I'm also love small wins and small goals. And in order to get those big goals, we need to set the small goals. So my biggest advice when you are setting your 2019 goals, and if you're watching, I'd love to know what one of your biggest fitness goals is. So start small. And here's what I always recommend. I have 2 tips. Number 1, think of something that you can accomplish as opposed to a rounded goal like lose 30 pounds. How about instead say, I'm going to walk the Tampa River Walk at least 2 times a week or once a week. Start even smaller. Once a week, I'm going to walk the Tampa River Walk. Awesome. Get consistent in that and then build on it. Or say, I'm going to switch my breakfast Fruit Loops and I'm going to eat avocado, okay? Then just build on that. It's about building slowly over it. And I don't really want you to think really that much further than maybe 2 to 3 months. That's it. It's okay to plan further, but keep it in small brackets. So just think January and February, what am I going to accomplish? How can I accomplish it? And just set 2 to 3 small goals like that. I'm going to go walking. I'm going to work with a personal trainer once or twice that month. Just at least hit that. Or I'm going to join a new fitness group and I'm going to go there once a week, okay? Those are great wins. And then here is my little tip for having small wins. Go to the dollar store, get a 2019 calendar, pick one exercise that you want to improve on. I like to use example push-ups. I train a lot of women that cannot do a push-up. That's okay. I say on day 1, we're going to write 1/4 of a push-up on there. And then over the span of 30 days, you get to see progression in your push-ups. So it's going to go from 1/4, then it's going to go to 2, 3, and by the end of 30 days, you're like, holy crap balls, I just did 20 push-ups when 30 days ago I couldn't even do a whole push-up. And what we're doing is we're training ourselves to see the progression by working hard, by consistency, and by showing ourselves that we can in fact improve. All we have to do is keep showing up and keep showing up and keep showing up. And you can do that in just less than 5 minutes a day. So speaking of 5 minutes a day, all right, so if you're watching, after I'm done here, I'm going to put a link in the comments for my free 5-minute workouts that you can do anywhere, anytime. And this is something that you can use for your small wins, okay? And you can say, all right, I'm just gonna work out for 5 minutes a day. That's it. Awesome. Let's just start with 5 minutes. I'm okay with that if you're okay with that. All right, I would love to know what your fitness goals are in 2019. I almost said 2017. That's weird. I love this filter. Have a great fit day and love you guys. Bye.